Hello friends, welcome back to Taka Income. So today we're going to show how to click on ad using the traffic bot. So we are going to generate click using direct ads, native ads or a smart links. So what we need a traffic bot must be original. Second thing is ad click module, and third thing is a landing page URL for your ad click. Okay, step 1, launch your traffic bot. Okay, it's launched. Step 2. Create your landing page with a tracking link. For example, we created a landing page with MailChimp with their tracking link to my YouTube videos. So here is the tracking link. So once you open, you can see here the campaign page. So if you hover on top the ads, you can see that below there got tracking links, not the YouTube link. That's a tracking link. So before we proceed, let's double check the views and clicks on your campaign. So far we have 12 visits and so far 6 clicks. Step 3. Set up your ad click module, set up your landing page, change your subpro settings, enable visible mode. Copy the link. Then from here we have to choose the ad click module. Okay, that's it. And here is the landing page URL tab. Here you have to put the landing pages, whatever landing page you have. Paste it here. Okay, and now we'll go for the basic settings. We'll put the minimum and maximum and threads. So minimum we'll put 120 second and maximum 180 second, and threads we'll put for 2 because we are going to running it on visible mode. And then we have to go to the options and check the run in visible mode. Click save. All right, everything done. Let's run it. Press start. All right, so 2 threads open, 2 browser open. It will load the ads now, the landing page. Let it load the landing page fully, and once it clicked to the campaign, you can see the URL has been changed. You see, youtube.com, watch, YouTube source, campaign, everything. Not the YouTube URL it's showing. It's showing the campaign link. The first 2 threads already made the clicked. So yeah, you can see the video is running. Normally they will load the landing page first, and then it will click on top the campaign, on top the direct link. So it will go straight to the YouTube video. This campaign has been made for YouTube view or to the YouTube landing page. You can create your own landing page for any pages or anything. This is just a sample. You see, it has changed. Normally the link will be youtube.com/watch /v equal to your YouTube video ID, but you see here it's not that link. It's coming from the UTM source, the campaign IDs, everything, and the video is running, and you are getting the real and genuine views to your YouTube video. So far we run 4 threads. So let's check it. How many clicks we have generated? We send 4 clicks. Let's say refresh, because now got 6 clicks. Once you refresh, see, you got 10 clicks now. Wow! Boom! So this is how actually you have to do. So visit our website takaincome.com for the module, for the software, everything.